Alright, this is my pop machine. I am figuring out how to do a price change. Set the prices differently for each pop. This is the model CB700, model 3151. And this is how you do price change. Okay. Open it up. It's a 14 selection system. There's the instructions. CB700 loading instructions. Alright. And here's the control panel. And you have a little blue button here. It says mode. It's right here. Now what you do is you push that button one time. Come back around to the front. And it says error there. Now when it says arrow, use your A, B, and C keys. You push A once, it goes into some mode. I don't know exactly what that is. You got cash, A again, you got price. When you get that, you push C. You can have all set prices for all your beverages, or you can change it by pushing A. That's P1, P2, P3. As you can see, it goes all the way to P14. For instance, you have Mountain Dew bottles, and then I have 2 down Sierra Mist can. Now for P1, that would be A. You hit P1, and that's set price right now is $1. You hit C once, and then you can adjust the price by using A or B. I'm gonna leave it at $1. So then I just push and hold C, which keeps price A at $1. Now I'm gonna go to price C, which I go back to this. Well, I was already at price. Cash, sale, price. Hit C. All, you don't want all, so I'll go to P3. It's the third one down. So you go up, P1, P2, P3. You'd hit C, then you readjust the price by using A or B. That's 80, that's 85, 90. I can put that back to $1, or I can just keep it at 75 where I got it. Push and hold C, and that's it. As easy as that. And that's how you do price changing on this model 3151 CB700.